In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Canva Pro. To get started, log into your Canva account. Once you're signed in, give the page a moment to fully load so all of your account options are visible and easy to access. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open your account menu. From there, find and select Settings. This is where Canva keeps your account preferences, subscription details, and payment information, so it's the right place to manage and upgrade. Inside Settings, go to the left-hand panel and click Billing. In this section, you'll be able to see your current plan information and any available upgrade options. Look for the plan card and then select Upgrade to Canva Pro. A small window will appear to guide you through the next part of the process. In that window, choose Canva Pro and then click Upgrade to Canva Pro at the bottom. This confirms that you want to move forward with the Pro subscription rather than any other plan Canva may show. After that, you'll set up your plan. Canva gives you a couple of ways to do this depending on how you want to pay. You can choose a recurring plan and then decide whether you want monthly or yearly billing. If you prefer something shorter, you can also choose a one-time option and then select either 1 week or 1 day. Take a moment here to choose the option that best fits how often you expect to use Canva Pro features. Once you've made your selection, click Next in the panel on the right. At this stage, Canva will ask you to confirm your payment method. If you haven't added one yet, go ahead and enter it. If you already have a payment method saved, you can click Edit in the right panel to update your current payment details or select a different one if needed. Before completing the purchase, review the plan details carefully so you know exactly which option you're getting and how you'll be billed. When everything looks correct, click Get Canva Pro. That will complete the upgrade process and activate your Canva Pro plan. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded to Canva Pro. Once your subscription is active, you can start using Pro features right away. So it's a good idea to explore your account and make the most of the new tools available to you.